Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best self-stirring cup is probably one of the most convenient gadgets you can have, especially if you're a fan of perfectly mixed beverages without the hassle of a spoon. This innovative cup takes the effort out of stirring your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend every time. Join me as we dive into the features and benefits of this must-have kitchen accessory. Number 5. Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. Introducing the Helimix 2.0, a revolutionary shaker bottle. It holds up to 28 ounces and is perfect for all your workout needs. This is a gym essential for everyone. Forget about shaker balls or whisks. This bottle uses a patented vortex design to mix your drinks perfectly. Just shake it, and it blends everything smoothly. Made with odor-resistant, BPA/BPS-free copolyester plastic. This ensures your supplements stay clean and fresh. The bottle is made in America with American-sourced materials. The shatterproof plastic is top-rack dishwasher safe. Cleaning is quick and easy. This makes it convenient for your busy lifestyle. It features a leak-proof design and a sturdy loop for easy transport. Take it with you wherever you go, without worrying about spills. This makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What we like. This shaker bottle utilizes a unique vortex blending design, ensuring a smooth and consistent mix every time. The odor-resistant material keeps it fresh, and the shatterproof design makes it durable. If you're a fitness enthusiast who needs a reliable and easy-to-clean shaker for your protein shakes, pre-workout, or supplements, this is a great choice. What people say. The replacement product worked as expected, i.e., doesn't leak. The mixing really does work super well when mixing per their instructions. All of the positive things from the review below remain, including being super easy to clean, nice wide mouth to pour powder in, feels well made, etc. 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 Number 4. Self-stirring mug, rechargeable auto-magnetic coffee mug. This mug is a game changer for anyone who loves a quick and easy drink. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let it do the work. It's perfect for home, office, or travel. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. This mug uses magnetic charging and can be used up to 60 times on a single charge. It's also designed to be safe and environmentally friendly. With a simple press of a button, it starts stirring automatically and stops after 30 seconds. The magnetic stir bar is detachable, easy to clean, and designed to last. Made with food-grade ABS and stainless steel, this mug is built to last. The double-layer design keeps your hands safe from hot liquids. It's easy to clean under running water. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This self-stirring mug is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun and useful present that anyone will appreciate. What we like. This self-stirring mug is a game-changer for lazy people. It features magnetic charging, which is more environmentally friendly and safer. With a simple press of a button, it starts stirring automatically. If you're someone who loves convenience and wants a hassle-free way to mix your coffee or other drinks, this mug is perfect for you. What people say. The self-stirring feature works great. The design is sleek and modern. It's very easy to clean. Number 3. Cholas 22-ounce electric protein shaker bottle. Tired of lumpy protein shakes? This electric shaker bottle features a powerful motor that blends your drinks to a silky smooth texture. It enhances protein absorption, helping you achieve your fitness goals. Made with BPA-free materials, this shaker bottle is safe and built to last. The waterproof design makes it easy to clean. It's a convenient addition to your workout routine. This electric shaker has a twist on top that ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and spills. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your gym bag. Enjoy your shakes on the go, worry-free. With a 22-ounce capacity, this shaker provides ample space for your protein shakes. It's still compact enough for easy transport. It's perfect for taking to the gym or anywhere you go. The package includes the rechargeable shaker, a charging cable, and gift-ready packaging. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service. It's ideal for fitness enthusiasts. What we like. This electric protein shaker bottle boasts a powerful motor for a smoother blend. It's made from BPA-free materials and features a waterproof design, making it easy to clean. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to mix your protein shakes at the gym or on the go, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The self-stirring feature works great. The design is sleek and modern. It's very easy to use and clean. Number 2. A 034 self-stirring mug, electric stainless steel cup. Introducing the self-stirring mug, designed for ultimate convenience. This mug takes the work out of mixing, perfect for coffee, tea, or any beverage. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this mug is built to last. Its double-insulated design keeps drinks at the perfect temperature, whether hot or cold. This versatile mug is suitable for various occasions. Take it to the bar, camping, use it at home, or bring it to a party or while traveling. Whether you're enjoying beer, coffee, juice, milk, or water, this mug is the perfect companion. It makes a great gift for friends, family, or yourself. With its electric stirring function, it's incredibly easy to use. Plus, the double insulation ensures your drinks stay at the ideal temperature for longer. What we like. This self-stirring mug is electric and double insulated, perfect for keeping your drinks at the right temperature. It's also portable, making it great for travel. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to enjoy your coffee or tea, this is a great option. What people say. It's very strong and mixes your coffee perfectly. It is truly insulated and will keep your coffee hot for a long period of time, 30+ minutes easily. It's very easy to use. All you need is AA batteries and you're good to go. All you have to do is click the button and it stirs your drink for you. It fit on truck cup holder and very convenient to use. Highly recommended. Number 1. Tessco self-stirring coffee mug, perfect gift. Looking for a great gift? This package includes 2 self-stirring mugs in different colors, each with a 400 ml capacity. They're beautifully packaged and come with USB charging cables. Before using, make sure the mug is dry. The magnet is in the center of the bottom. Just connect the USB to charge. Then, add coffee and water, press the button, and it will stir automatically. The bottom is removable for easy cleaning, but avoid the dishwasher or full immersion. Don't let water get into the handle. This design ensures safe and leak-proof stirring. These mugs are made of stainless steel and plastic with a magnet at the bottom. These materials are durable and safe for long-term use. You can enjoy your coffee with confidence. This self-stirring mug is a great gift for family and friends. It's easy to use and clean, making it a practical and thoughtful present. Give the gift of convenience this holiday season. What we like. This self-stirring mug comes in a set of 2, making it a great gift. It's easy to use with a simple USB charging cable. If you're looking for a practical and thoughtful gift for family or friends, this is a great choice. What people say. This mug is the best tool I have found to keep the drink mixed properly. Strong magnet inside, no need to worry that you will swallow the pill. Stays charged for multiple days. Stirring is very strong and rapid. Great buy for the cost and durable material. Nice little stirring mug for people who use sugar and/or cream for their coffee. A little annoying when the battery dies, but it's rechargeable, so not a huge gripe. Surprisingly powerful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.